What's up, people? You're watching Life of Kush with your host, Kush. Hope you're alright. The last few months for me have been a bit hectic. I can't lie. If you haven't seen the tragic story of Kevin, then go and watch that. It's on my playlist. I'll try and link it in the description as well. But yeah, so I thought I'd try again. But not from a store. I bought some off eBay. But anyway, let's have a little pause for everyone to like and subscribe. Okay, you should have liked and subscribed now. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video. What did the postman bring for Kush today? This is what the postman brought for Kush today. I don't even know what they are. I know they're eggs, but I don't know what kind. Could have just cracked them then. But yeah. Welcome back to the Life of Kush. I've now weighed them, numbered them, and put the X's on them. And then I found out how much, I've done the calculations, how much they need to lose per week. And then all together throughout the whole incubation. So in week 1, I just leave them, do the 3 to 4 turns a day. Then week 2, take them out to cool for 5 days. 5 minutes a day. Then it's 10 minutes, then 15 minutes. And then give them a little spray before I put them back in. Helps them hatch because these shells are tough. So I'll put them in, then I'll just show you the little setup. Of course, it's a new one. But yeah, be back. Here's my new setup, guys. Looking good. You think, but that looks the same. Nah, man. Come on. The other one's tiny compared to this one. Look at the screen as well. Look how big the screen is. It's like you're watching HD TV. Get me? I've got the little thermometer thing there. It's a new one. Wireless probe. Then I've got the old school one right there, because you know you can't go wrong with that. That's the water for the humidity. That. So it's yeah, and obviously the probe over there. Focus. Yeah. Anyway, but yeah. Why is it going out of focus? Yeah, there we go. It's like beautiful. So if you did want to know how I built this, I have got the video up. So just give that a watch as well. So it is day 26 and they are now in lockdown. If you can see this one's moving already. It stays still. As soon as I put it back in there, it started moving like a mad one, like it was about to start hatching. Look. I've never been able to see it so clear. Because my great creation, you know them ones? When you create something so good, you amaze yourself. Anyway, that one there has been moving. That's egg number 3. It's in order. So let's go to the weights. So they were all weighing all right. So egg number 1 is a bit under, 4 grams under. That's basically right. Egg number 3 basically right, and then egg number 4 basically right. So flipping out, that one's proper moving. But anyway, so yeah, it's day 26. They can start hatching from day 28 really. So between day 28 and day, what is it, 33 it can go up to. So I just need to make sure the humidity goes right. I want it to be about 70, 75. And then yeah, just a waiting game now. So obviously I've got this, you know, off the fish aquariums, just in case there's any condensation. Can't be messing up our view this time. And then I've put the cage. I put a bit of fence caging in there, so any hatchlings don't get burnt. I'm just a DIY man, you get me? But anyway, this is Life of Kush. I'll be back when the goslings have started to emerge. So it is day 28 and a half. And we've got the first 2 pips. We got that one. And then that one. Which is a bit mad because it's been that one that's been moving. Yeah, that one don't have no pips. So yeah, just waiting for those 2. It's a pip. So we'll have to wait and see what's going on.
Come on, Karen. Come on, baby girl. Come on, good girl. Come on, you keep digging. You keep digging. Come on, use that teeth on your head. Come on, you carry on piercing that shell. Yeah, carry on. You keep doing that. You keep doing it, mate. Yes. That's it. Keep doing it. I'll be very happy.
Yes, we can see you.
Come on, just a little more. Come on,
Guys, so it is what it is, guys. Oh, sorry. It is what it is, guys. It's 2 out of 4. Do you know what? With all the issues that went on, I'm surprised it was even 1, to be honest. They need to dry out. They need to get their feet off the grooming each other. It's brilliant. It's lovely. It's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. So it is day 2 in the small gosling house. And Karen has just learned to eat on herself. Haven't you, Karen? Yeah, you're a feisty one. Dave is a special case. As you can see, Dave's head goes a bit that way. And it was worse than that. It was basically resting on his back. He was looking backwards, basically. I should have took a video yesterday, to be honest. Come on then, Dave, Karen. Come on. Come on. Come on. Dave. Karen. Dave. Dave, come on then. Come on. Good boy, Dave. Yes, Karen, come on. Nice, nice. Come on then. Come on. Go for walks. Come on. This way, come on. Come on. Yeah. Yes. Come on. Go for little walks, aren't we? Tiring you out, come on. Come on then. Yes, Karen. Yes, Dave. Come on. Dave. Dave, this way. Dave, come on. Come on, Dave. Come on. Come on. Good boy, Dave. Good boy. Karen. Karen. Come on. Come on, Karen. Good girl and boy. Don't know what you are yet. No. Oi, Karen. Karen. Karen, come here. Stop protecting me. I don't need your protection. Come here. Karen. 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 Karen, come here. Karen. Why do you not like seeing yourself, Karen? You're so cute. Do you see yourself, Dave? Who's that, Dave? Dave, who's that? Who's that?
There's a story after that one. And that one. My point is, we think the world revolves around one person.
Hello, guys. Hello. You enjoying your first swim? You need to get clean. You're dirty. Look at you both. Dave! Dave! Yeah? Karen! Karen! Oi, Karen! No, not you, Dave. I said Karen. Karen! Karen! Yes, Karen. Karen, come here. Yes, Karen. Yes, you know your name. Yes. I've literally just put them in and they've both pooched straight away. Straight away. Flipping out, you swimming, yeah. Proper swimming. Dave, that's what you need to do to get clean. You need to do it, Karen. Karen knows the way. You guys liking that, yeah? Oh, Dave, you're managing it. Yes, Dave. Karen's just a savage. Like I said before, I think Karen's Dave and Dave is Karen. But, you know, it's too late now. So if you didn't know, geese actually have teeth. Not just where you think they'd have teeth, they actually have it on their tongue as well. You have to be able to shred up their greens. I think he's just ripping it. I don't know if he's actually... Shit, man. I've took up the living room. Look at the mess. Look at the mess. All because... this. Yeah, I was secretly hoping that it would tire them out. But no, it didn't work. Hello. Hello. Dave and Karen. Got you some greens. Got you some greens. There we go. Look. Scatter feed. Scatter feed. Oi. Liking that, are you? Yeah? Is there anything that makes you go quiet? Especially you, Karen, innit? You're just always hungry. Yo. Yo. No, this is not how clean it is usually. I've already cleaned up before. Yeah, I've got your treats. I've got your treats. One sec, let me open the window. Ugh. Let me open the window. And then curtains. Get some light in here. Yes, I know. I know, you're gonna get some food, aren't you? Yeah? Okay. Here's the grass. There's the grass. Hey. Here's your cabbage. Oh, there's your cabbage. And then I've got their favourite. Got some peppers. So what I do with the peppers, I put in their water so they can fish for it. Put the rest there. Yep. Karen. Karen. They don't listen. Karen. Karen. Look. Yeah. See? Dave. Yeah, so Dave's a bit... I don't know if Dave's going to make it, to be honest. He's got... as he's got bigger, I've noticed, if you can see the lump on his back, on the right-hand side, the furthest side away from us. And he walks a bit funny. He can't eat certain stuff. There, you can see it there. I've took him to the vet. They were not really much help. So I'm just going to have to monitor him and see how it goes. It's not looking too good at the moment. But, you know, he's eating, walking, doing everything else. So, you know, it's not really an emergency at the moment. He don't look like he's in too much pain or really pain at all at the moment. But, you know, it can change. They love their fishing for peppers, I'm telling you. You fishing for peppers, yeah? Fishing for peppers. Okay. You're big, innit? Karen. 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 She's like, I don't care. There's food there. I ain't coming to you. They do have, obviously, food there as well. Goose and duck food. They love their greens, though. So, yeah. That's the morning ritual.